Hello and welcome to Chandigarh Civil Services. Guys, we would be discussing 2000s prelims polity section. So let's start. Question number 1 है आपको एक statement दी है to instill into the vast million of workers, men and women who actually do the job, a sense of partnership and of cooperative performance. The above passage relates to plan development. 2000 में जब हमने प्लान डेवलपमेंट की बात की तो ये जो पैसेज है इट रिलेट्स टू प्लान डेवलपमेंट. लेट्स रीड इट विद प्लान डेवलपमेंट. Planned development instills into the vast millions of workers, men and women, who actually do the job, a sense of partnership and of cooperative performance. Yes. The option is A, that is planned development. Question number 2. The speaker can ask a member of the house to stop speaking and let another member speak. This phenomenon is known as yielding the floor. जब एक स्पीकर एक मेंबर को स्टॉप करेगा और दूसरे को बोलेगा कि नाउ कि यस नाउ यू कैन स्पीक, तो इसको बोलते हैं यील्डिंग द फ्लोर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Consider the following statements about AGI. Article 76. He is appointed by the president. Very true. He must have the same qualifications as are required for a judge of Supreme Court. Yes. He must be a member of either house of the parliament. No. He can be removed by impeachment of the president. No. So option is A, that is 1 and 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग फंक्शनरीज. आपने बताना कौन सी करेक्ट है इन ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रेसिडेंस, कि पहले कौन आएगा फिर बाद में कौन आएगा. लेट्स सी. सबसे पहले चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया आएंगे, फिर आपका आएगा यूनियन कैबिनेट ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स, फिर चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर, फिर कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरी. ऑप्शन इज सी, दैट इज 4, 3, 2 and 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. द स्टेट विच हैज द लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ सीट्स रिजर्व्ड फॉर शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स इन लोकसभा इज, यू शुड नो, वो है मध्य प्रदेश. यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा मैक्सिमम सीट्स हैं शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स की लोकसभा से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. A college student desires to get elected to a municipal council in his city. Okay. The validity of his nomination would depend on the important condition among others that, आपको बताना है कौन सी एक चीज है जो वैलिड होनी चाहिए, वो है his name figures in the voter list. अगर उसका नेम वोटर लिस्ट में होगा तभी he can contest the elections and get elected. Question number 7. You have to match list 1 and list bodies. List 1 consists of local bodies and list 2 consists of states as in 1999. So देखते हैं. First is जिला परिषद at sub divisional level. जिला परिषद at sub divisional level वो था आपका असम में. Second is sorry, जिला परिषद की बात की है, जिला परिषद it is in yes असम. सेकंड आपका है मंडल प्रजा परिषद, इट इज इन आंध्र प्रदेश मंडल. थर्ड इज ट्राइबल काउंसिल्स, वो मिजोरम में है. वेरी गुड. एब्सेंस ऑफ विलेज पंचायत वो मेघालय में है. मेघालय में अभी विलेज पंचायत नहीं. सो ऑप्शन इज डी, दैट इज 1 is B, 1 is B, 2 is A, 3 is C and 4 is D. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? आपने बताना कौन सी incorrect है. Goa attained full statehood, it is correct. Diu is an island, yes. Daman and Diu were separated, yes. Dadra and Nagar Haveli were under French colonial, no. Option D is incorrect. This is not true. Question number 9. The following news item appeared in National Daily on 11 February 1999. Parliament today rejected a bill to grant women the right to vote and stand for office in parliamentary elections by a margin of 32 to 30. The National Assembly was split between liberal, pro-government, Shiite Muslims deputies who were in favor of women's right, while the opposition camp grouped Sunni Muslim fundamentalists and tribal MPs. A total of 64 MPs and ministers were present, of whom 2 were abstained. The parliament referred to in this quotation is that of, आपने बताना कौन सी कंट्री की. ये कुवैत की स्टेटमेंट थी जो आई थी. It made headlines in 2000. Question number 10. The parliament can make any law for whole or any part of India for implementing international treaties without the consent of the state. It is very true. Option is D. Question number 11. Which one of the following is not a feature of Government of India Act? Diarchy at the center as well as the provinces. This is not a feature. Question number 12. Which one of the following statements about a money bill is not correct? आपने बताना कौन सी incorrect है. A money bill can be tabled in either house. No, it can only be tabled in Lok Sabha. तो पहला ही आपका हो गया qualify not correct के लिए. Question number 13. The 73rd Constitution Amendment Act 1992 refers to laying the foundation of strong and vibrant Panchayati Raj institutions in the country. Yes. So this was your 2000 का question paper. We had 13 questions. फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम नाउ यूपीएससी स्टार्ट इवॉल्विंग इटसेल्फ, सो यू हैव टू सी कि जो आगे अब क्वेश्चन आएंगे आफ्टर 2000 वो काफी इवॉल्व होंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।